In this video, we'll show you how to project a waypoint using the Garmin Instinct. This is used when you are brought to a location and you're told to proceed at a certain compass bearing and at a certain distance. So let's say, for example, you want to find a trailhead that's probably not as obvious. You might walk up to a point and say, proceed at a bearing of 200 degrees for 100 meters. Or something like that, or boat launch, or something like that. So basically, to access this feature, all you have to do is press the GPS button, and you're going to scroll down your list of favorite activity profiles, and you'll get down to some of the other core features. You got navigate, track me, and project waypoint. We're going to press the GPS button, and from here we can adjust the heading. So like we said earlier, we can use the up and down keys, and you can just say that, all right, once you reach to this coordinates, you're going to proceed at, let's say, 140 degrees on your compass. And now we're going to specify the distance. You can change the units by hitting down. So we have feet, meters, kilometers, miles. So let's say that we want to proceed at this bearing for 2 kilometers. That will give us this coordinates. You can see how it's changing. Like that. And once we're ready, saves the waypoint. We can either edit the name, change the icon, and let's pretend this is a location to drinking water, or a fishing area, or a geocache. We'll do fishing area, and that's about it. We can have the option to delete this waypoint if we made a mistake. Hit back. So now, once we've projected the waypoint, all we have to do now is go up to our navigate and then access this waypoint that we just created under Save Locations. Right there, here's our fishing area. 2 kilometers, and now we can hit the GPS, do go to, take a look at the details, give it the name, but we'll do go to. And here's our map. Our direction, our bearing, and there you go. And as we hike, this will change. So there you go. That is quickly how you navigate to